Best deals. In this video, let's review different types of wall sticker hooks, racks and shelves that will help you keep your bathroom and kitchen accessories neatly organized without any cluster. These wall stickers are a great form of self-adhesive labels, which act as decorative accessories for any home. They are cost-effective, flexible and can be placed just about anywhere in your home with ease. They're useful for storage but also for displaying decorations, collections and other things, and they're also excellent when you just want to put something on a blank wall. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Hook. Can be used for hanging spoon, towels, gloves, knife and fork, pan, pot, keys in your kitchen, bathroom door, bedroom closets and other places, hence create valuable storage space, also never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Towel hanger. Has high load bearing capacity of up to 5 kg and is made of aluminium. Also it's lightweight yet strong with anti-rust body construction. One hook each is attached on both sides of the towel rod for hanging loofah, body scrub brush. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Steel shelf. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Magic Sticker's strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. This shower caddy has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Decrease clutter and solve your storage problem. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelves. Easy installation, waterproof and high load-bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. Made from heavy-duty plastic that lasts and lasts. These bathroom shelves not only hold all your toiletries with ease, they make the bathroom look that much better. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Soap dish with towel rod. Holder is perfect for hanging hand towels or face towels, could be set up in kitchen, bathroom or living room, quick installation in a minute. No extra tool required for installation. Magic Sticker strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Storage rack. Crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for toothbrush, shaving accessories, face wash, 4 hanging hooks, with small size drain holes in the bottom of each container for water flow. Easy 1-minute hassle-free installation without drilling or screwing on smooth and flat surfaces saves lots of time and looks clean on your surfaces. Perfect for organizing toiletries, cleaning supplies, or art supplies. Our caddies are designed for both functionality and portability. Declutter your space with our convenient caddy options. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Towel holder. Clean and dry the surface of application before putting the Magic Sticker. Press and flat the Magic Sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Fit the shelf on the hooks given on Magic Sticker and you are done. Detachable design makes it easy to remove and clean. Adhesive-based Magic Sticker is 100% water resistant, making your shelf retain its durability even when in regular contact with water. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Soap holder. Hassle-free installation. No more ugly holes in your bathroom or kitchen. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, plastics or painted wood. Apply it and you're done in no time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Shelf. Caddy is made up of high-grade aluminium frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg quick installation in a minute. No extra tool required for installation. Make sure you are using the product on a clean and smooth surface like tiles, marble, granite, glass, sunmica, veneer, bakelite. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. It's elegant and beautiful, making it suitable for any home settings. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bathroom shelf. This shower caddy is made up of stainless steel frame and durable plastic base. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kilograms, can be used to organize spice shampoo, shower gel, lotion, soap, razor, spice bottles, sauce, and other kitchen and bathroom accessories. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Corner shelf. Keep your kitchen or bathroom organized and clean. Compact yet have sufficient capacity for holding shampoo, conditioner, kitchen spice bottle to meet your different demands. Ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, guest bathrooms and powder rooms. Steel body makes it rust-proof and durable. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, to install your Magic Sticker series. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Shower caddy. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Sticker's strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Steel shower shelf. Detachable design makes it easy to remove and clean. The shelf is especially designed to ensure that it does not lean forward when loaded. Adhesive-based Magic Sticker is 100% water resistant, making your shelf retain its durability even when in regular contact with water. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Bathroom shelf with 5 mounted hooks. Have strong adhesive stickers that protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. They have high load-bearing capacity and can hold up to 5 kilograms of product load because of its powerful adhesive system. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Shower caddy. Made up of high-grade ABS material. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Fit the bathroom shelf on the hooks given on sticker and you are done. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Towel holder. This plastic towel hanger is widely used in bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, refrigerator and any smooth surface places. Turn any corner into elegant and useful storage organizer with this corner towel holder. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Apply it and you're done in no time. Holder helps keep towels in close reach in a refreshing white finish. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bathroom shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface, can be used to organize almost all of your bathroom accessories like shampoo, shower gel, lotion, facial mask and other toiletries. Product link is given in the 17th link.